Moisture control problems in your drying process are costing you, but downstream moisture sensors and test methods can't solve your problems. By the time they detect an issue, it's already too late. But Scala Dry is different. It uses PLC temperature data and uniquely intelligent software to respond to moisture levels during the drying process, then precisely adjusts the set point with very little input from operators. This closed-loop control brings impressive results, like huge reduction in moisture variance. Compared to other methods, Scala Dry reduces downtime and moisture variance by 30% or more, and can significantly reduce seasonal variation. With drying control this tight, you can safely and consistently make better products with more process efficiency at water content levels that pull more profits. More precise drying also means lower electricity bills by 4 to 10% on average. Scala Dry saves so much power that the US Department of Energy, the American Petroleum Institute, and several other groups have recognized the system with Industry Innovation Awards. All savings considered, the average Scala Dry user can expect a return on their investment within 4 months. It's easy to install. It works with almost any dryer on the market, and it makes it easy to improve quality, increase production, and save energy. It's time to get Scala Dry. Contact us today.